Is this thing on?
Alright, while my roommate's out, really quick. Dad, I know I don't get to come home a lot for work, or because of work, but I want this to be a really special day. I can't even talk right now. I want this to be a really special Father's Day, so, as you know, I'm coming down. We're going out to God. Oh my gosh. Cameras. Bleh. Anyways, taking the whole family out to Catalina, and sorry I didn't get you a card, and sorry this video didn't come out on Father's Day, but it'd be hard to do because we're making it on Father's Day. Just know, I love you, and I hope we have fun on the island. California traffic. Don't ever move to California. Yep, that's a Lamborghini. And yep, we've been in traffic for 4 hours.
Draw that. Oh boy, Mickey.
What is on your arm?
Bob Ross Band-Aid. I just put it on. Leave me alone. That's what I was saying.
Stuck in my leg. I think I might have to drop my pants.
I think you're gonna have to drop your pants. I really do.
This is weird and wild.
Ooh. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Hey, Holly. The number one thing about photography. Stop looking at my hat, look at the camera.
But
Angles! 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 He's taking food selfies.
Yeah, selfie. I should have selfie. Oh, that's so cute.